All right, so the for question one on the study plan, chapter three, question one says, shown here are the velocity and acceleration vectors for an object in several different types of motion. In which case is the object velocity changing while its speed is not changing? We have vectors for velocity uh, A and for A, B, C, D, or is it E? None of the above. So to answer this question, you must understand that when acceleration acts perpendicular to the velocity, it's only change velocity. It does not change. So when we just look for the one that is perpendicular. So when you see that's perpendicular, A it cannot be B, C cannot be, D cannot be. So the only logical choice is B. As well, E cannot be. So to write that down, it will be um, when acceleration acts perpendicular to velocity, its only change in velocity so thus change the does not change speed, or the speed does not change, or let me see, does speed does not change, speed does not change when it's when acceleration is perpendicular to velocity.